This is my honest review of this small mini coffee maker. I got this for my short-term rental because I wanted more of a hotel room kind of vibe. And so far so good. It works really great. I tested it out beforehand and it made a great pot of coffee. Oh, favorite part is that it comes with the basket already inside. So you don't have to buy coffee filters. You just rinse this out and it's good to go. You don't need to waste all that paper or be running for coffee filters. So that was my reason for buying it. And yeah, highly recommend it.
This is my little Capresso and I love it. It is such a good little drip machine and I highly recommend it. The filter it comes with is bomb. I used to be a barista, so from a barista, an ex-barista, thumbs up, and it makes such great coffee. So get yourself a little Capresso, you won't be disappointed.